everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Spot of Anger. I've already read a book about a little spot of kindness before by the same author, and this one is about anger. So let's begin. Hi, I'm a peaceful spot. I'm here to help you calm down. An angry spot when one shows up. What is an angry spot? An angry spot is also known as anger. Anger is one of the many emotions we can experience every day. Other emotions are sadness and anxiety too. We all have these emotions inside us, but we feel the best when we are in our peaceful spot. It's good to have small parts of emotion, but when they get too big, you don't feel very good. So I'm here to show you how to calm your big angry spots down to a very peaceful size like me. Your angry spot can show up when you're feeling frustrated, afraid, or hurt. When you are calm, it is easier to manage this strong emotion. And I know of a special trick to get your angry spot to calm down. Want to see? Yes, please. Let me see your hand. Now imagine wrist spots on your finger and one green spot on your thumb, just like this. Now repeat after me. Count the stops from 1 to 4. Spots. Tap, tap, and tap once more. Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat your spots with love and care. Now that you know what to do, let's make a look at some situations when your angry spot shows up. Well, this looks familiar. Remember when you tried to do something new and didn't turn out the way you wanted it to? This can be very frustrating. Look how big the angry spot becomes. I can't draw! So when you feel like yelling, you should do this trick instead. Exactly. Once you begin counting, you are telling your angry spot that it's time to calm down and get smaller. Count the spots from 1 to 4. Tap, 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 and tap once more. Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat your spots with love and care. Look how peaceful air that really cools down an angry spot. I feel so much better. Everyone has their own style of art and shouldn't compare myself to others. I'm still learning and it doesn't need to be perfect. I'm so glad I'm peaceful again. Oh dear, here's another situation where an angry spot gets too big. I know when someone takes your toy that's my toy. I know when someone takes your toy, it can make you feel afraid that you might never see it again. Give it back! Instead of stomping your feet and growling, try to calm your angry spot down. Once you are calm, you will see that she isn't trying to be mean, she is just trying to play. Count the spots from 1 to 4. Tap, 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 and tap once more. It worked! It's working! The angry spot is already half its size. Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat your spots with love and care. Rhyming. When you are calm, it's easier to handle any situation. Why did you take my dinosaur? I thought we were playing Chase the Dinosaur. Let's look at some other situations when an angry spot shows up. Like when you feel hurt because you think you have lost your favorite toy. Where's my dinosaur? It's in your toy bin. Your angry spot made it harder to find. I can see it right there. It's tiny that I don't think you can see it very well. Or when you try to make a masterpiece but something spills. My painting is ruined. Sometimes your angry spot makes it hard to see the wonderful thing you created. Once your angry spot is calm, you will see that you actually made an amazing splatter art. When you are calm, it's easier to look at any situation in a positive way. Remember, you have the power to calm your angry spot down and make it into a peaceful spot. Count the spots from 1 to 4. Tap, 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 and tap once more. Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat the spots with love and care. You can imagine your own spots or cut them out of construction paper and tape them to your fingers. You can also get a real spot stickers in bulk on my website, www.dianealber.com. Well, it's not my website, but it's the book's. So I'm done with this book. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!